Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is day 13 of Vlogmas, and I'm going to show you how to make yourselves homemade card sleeves for those who are giving out gift cards this year for Christmas, or a little travel size card sleeve for those who just want to put all their cards in and then put them in their pocket and away they go. In our family tradition, we don't hand out holiday cards, we put them on our trees. So I was thinking about putting this on my family's tree with like a little tag with my sister's name on it, or my mom or my dad. I don't know, I just thought it'd be really cute, and I have a little bit of fabric to spare, so I hope you guys like this little tutorial. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. To draft my pattern, I just simply grabbed a Starbucks gift card and I traced around it and added 1/2 inch for seam allowance. I grabbed one of those like folding in half kind of a deal, and then have a flap go on top of it. It's a simple thing. And since it's Christmas, I decided to use this Christmas themed fabric that is gradient green in the background with some snowflakes, and then something from the Shadow Play collection. I just grabbed whatever was lying around beside me. Place right sides together, and then you're going to stitch around 1/2 inch, and make sure you start from the bottom and go around and leave a little gap so that you can turn your piece inside out. Once you have done that, cut your excess thread here and then your corners. Pin your closure and then sew it together using 1/4 inch seam. This is what it should look like with one side tacked down. But before you do that, make sure you sew in your Velcro pieces from the top flap and to the bottom so that you have it done before tacking everything down. Once you sew your Velcro in, start stitching all the way around 1/4 inch. Cut off your excess threads. This is essentially the completed project minus the Velcro, because I used snaps, but didn't work out for me, so that's why I'm suggesting the Velcro, and everything should fit, including the receipt. And that is it, guys, on how to make these little card sleeves for those who are giving away gift cards on Christmas. This can be used for also like birthdays and weddings and etc. But this was my first time ever making this, out of making the pattern. I would say I wouldn't use a snap. I probably would go with Velcro. So put the Velcro on this and on the other side to make it more stable and easier to open. But other than that, I had fun making this, and I'm glad that this was a great time to do a test on this design, and who knows, maybe I will make a few for my shop. And if you guys like this video on how I made my homemade gift card sleeves, please give this video a nice like. And if you want to follow me and my other social media accounts, all the links are down below in the description box as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more further content I will be doing for the rest of Vlogmas Challenge in December, as well as new content in the new year 2021. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye.